Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTN HD, and if this is your first time checking me out, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get the latest and greatest on tech videos. This week, Lenovo sent me the ThinkSystem SR550. I have the slightest clue on this 2U rackable server on specifications. I don't know how much memory, I don't know the hard drive space, I don't know if it's solid state drives, I just do not know. Today we're going to focus on unboxing and talk a little bit of what we're going to do with this machine. I am going to bring the server room back. We might have to do a live stream, and I'm going to configure this guy like a lab. We're going to be building Active Directory, WSUS, MDT, SCCM. We're going to do all that stuff live with this particular machine. I'm hoping they gave me a lot of hard drive space and a lot of memory to do all that stuff for you guys live. So let's get into the unboxing. So what comes inside the box on the ThinkSystem SR550? You have your safety guide right here. You have one power cable. The reason why there's only one power cable, I didn't purchase this. It was sent to me for a review. And most likely, when I purchase a server, you got to get two power supplies. Always get two power supplies. This guy only has one power supply, which kind of sucks. This guy right here, 750 watts. I'm going to put that back. Awesome. It does come with two rails. This is a rackable server. 2U. I'm not even taking out the plastic because I'm not going to rack it up. So I'm going to put that to the side. Now I'm a little disappointed because it looks like the SR50 only came with one SAS drive. It came with, I believe, a 600 gig drive. Only 600 gigs, so I don't know. I could do a lot with 600 gigs. We're going to try to do as much as we can with the 600 gigs that Lenovo provided me. 10K RPM, which is awesome. This particular model has 16 bays, 0 through 15. So I'm not going to spend any money on a review unit. No way in hell, right? But the game plan is I am going to get a flash drive, install maybe vSphere 6.7, which is the latest one. I'm going to boot into that flash drive to be my primary operating system. Then take the 600 gig SAS drive to be my storage, so I can house my virtual machines. I'm definitely going to do that live for you guys during the server room TSR episode. And yeah, don't know too much about it. I'm going to plug it up. Plug a VGA monitor into it and see if there is a operating system installed. If there's no operating system, that's perfect. I can start working on this with you guys during the week. And let's set this up. Okay, so I hooked up the monitor, VGA connection at the back. Got a keyboard and mouse USB connected to the back of the SR550. We're going to turn it on. Power button is right here, it's lighting up green. Power that bad boy up. You guys got to understand, this video is all about the unboxing and going over future things that I'm going to be doing on this particular machine. I'm really limited in what I can do because I only have one hard drive, 600 gigs, 1000K RPMs. There it goes. You can actually hear the power. Awesome. I saw on the monitor that it detected 32 gigs. Oh, it does have an operating system. It has Windows. Ugh. I'm definitely going to remove that operating system, and I am going to install VMware on this machine. I'm not going to use this machine with Windows at all. I'm going to wipe it clean and just install what I need to install. I think The primary operating system that this machine has is Windows, maybe Windows 2012. It looks like Windows 2016. But I don't want to use this machine with Windows. I want to use this machine with VMware. So the game plan is 2 USBs. We're going to create a bootable USB to boot into, install the operating system, vSphere 6.7, into the additional flash drive that we're going to have. We're going to go over all that during the live stream. Take the 600 gigs, use it as raw storage to house our virtual machines. We're going to create an Active Directory, WSUS, WDS, MDT, and probably, if we could get to it, SCCM server, and just build ourselves a nice little mini lab. Alright guys, and that's it for our unboxing. It looks like the machine is already having issues with Windows operating system. This is the reason why I want to use this guy with VMware. So the game plan for next week is just to rebuild this machine as a nice little lab. I'm going to show you guys how I would do it with the specifications that this guy has. Again, we are running with one hard drive, 600 gigs. It looks like it has 32 gigs. I don't know what type of processor. We're going to find out during the live stream. It has a lot of Ethernet ports in the back. Again, we're going to go over all the ports and connections during the live stream, so hopefully you guys check that out. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. Make sure to hit that like button, and I catch you guys on the live stream with this machine. Peace out.